Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make money with NFTs. I will give you a review of my research on all the ways that you can earn money with NFTs in the metaverse, and we are going to share some interesting links on where to go to do that. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get the notifications. And without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, well, in this video we'll show you 4 ways that you can earn money with NFTs. The first one is the play to earn in the metaverse. One of the most primary strategies to earn NFTs in the metaverse is using the play to earn strategy. The play to earn concept allows investors to participate in gaming activities and earn incomes. In play to earn, you need to play your favorite game, but in the process make an income. The characters and collectibles come in the form of NFTs. While you play your games, you are going to do stuff inside the game that will give you NFTs, and those NFTs you will be able to sell it in the marketplace. Some of the things that could happen in the game are complete daily challenges. Within those games, there are a vast of collections of ways to earn NFTs. One of the significant ways to get NFTs is through completing daily challenges. This involves finishing the task given on a particular day and earning rewards. Several metaverse gaming options allow investors to earn NFTs through daily challenges. Another way in this kind of games is competing in battles and duels. Some battle games give the option of earning NFTs after finishing your round in the battleground. In some cases, you may have to engage in a PvP game where the winner takes all the staked NFTs. In other cases, you can choose to use the PvE, where after beating an enemy, the network rewards you with NFTs. And the other thing is garnering collectibles. You can also earn NFTs by garnering the available collectibles in the game. In almost every round, some collectibles can improve the strength of your characters or even your ability to win. For instance, collectibles could be weapons, different game skins, or even a new character in some games. All these are ways that you can earn NFTs using the methodology of play to earn games in the metaverse. So this is the first way to earn NFTs and make money from them. And here you can see a list of top 10 play to earn games. I will not only tell you how to make it, but I will also show you some links where you can do it. First game here is Splinterlands, one of the most famous one. Axie Infinity, of course, one of the most famous and most valuable play to earn games right now. The third position is for Abegochi. You have Sorar, which is a football fantasy game. Goals Unchained. The Sandbox, also one of the favorites in the metaverse. Mega Cryptopolis, Crazy Defense Heroes, Blancos Block Party, and Rev Racing. This is a top 10 of one of the most famous play to earn games. So you can start with this. I will put the link on the description so you can review each of these games. The second way to make money with NFTs is minting your own NFTs. Another way to earn NFTs in the metaverse would be through minting your own NFTs. NFT minting involves the creation of entirely new NFTs personalized to your preferences. Some platforms within the metaverse have been providing the option to mint NFTs. In the case of minting, you get the asset using fewer costs compared to buying. Moreover, through minting, you can own and benefit from particular NFTs for a very long time. There are guides on the internet on how to mint your own NFTs. It's possible to mint up to 10,000 NFTs. However, getting the right platform with the minting option is vital in ensuring your NFT success. And yes, so the second way to make money with NFTs is minting your own NFTs. I will put a link on the description on how you can do that. But for example, you can mint your NFTs on OpenSea, which is the biggest platform of Ethereum right now for buy and sell, and also mint your NFTs. You can use mintbase.io, where you can mint, sell, and develop your own smart contracts, and you can store them here and put it in the marketplace. You can put it as an active auction, so you can start bidding for the NFTs that you mint. And yes, there are many other platforms that you can look in the web for mint your NFTs. The third way to make money with NFTs is by NFT farming, and this is another popular way of earning NFTs in the metaverse is through farming. In NFT yield farming specifically, an individual collaterals some assets while withholding the remainder for themselves. This is one of the concepts already being explored in the metaverse. Some platforms also provide the option of earning DeFi tokens by collateralizing NFTs. Others offer an opportunity to stake your NFTs while playing and in return get your opponent's NFTs. So yeah, there are many ways to earn more NFTs using NFT farming in the metaverse games. And if you are not familiar with these concepts, I will put a link of the description for this article where you can understand in depth what is NFT farming and how does NFT farming works. And some platforms that you can explore this are farmingtiles.io, which is a game where you can also farming stuff, superfarm.com, sunflower/land.com. So these are all platforms related to that. And there are many other ways to farming inside another metaverse games. If you want to make money while you're holding your crypto, then I recommend you to use an automation platform. This is Bitsgap.com, where you can trade with bots automatically while you're holding your crypto. I did 2 videos 2 months ago on how to configure Bitsgap and how to configure everything for your bots. So in that video, I explained in almost 30 minutes how to configure each thing of the platform. And with this video, you will be able to start trading with the bot 24 hours. Even if you are sleeping, you will be making money with this. And this works really good also in the downtrend. So right now it's a very good opportunity to use this platform. If you go and register with my affiliate link, you help the channel, but you also get 2 weeks free of this platform with a premium account. The premium account costs $150. So you will have it free for 2 weeks, so you can test it and see how it works. So the fourth way is with NFTs giveaways and airdrops. While the metaverse is still in its dawn, the art of giveaways and airdrops could be a significant way to earn NFTs. During the early stages of the platform's launches, some of them may offer NFT airdrops to the community. Some of the communities will provide NFT rewards for active participation. An NFT giveaway is likely a loyalty reward to the community using NFTs. An airdrop, on the other hand, is a style of marketing. Giveaways and airdrops are pretty standard in the crypto space, and it's hard to go for a day without getting an update of an upcoming airdrop or giveaway contest. Those contests involve marketing and participating in some Twitter activities, so you can also take part in competitions provided with different metaverse platforms to earn NFTs. And this fourth way could sound like silly, but actually super important. Almost all new projects that launch for the metaverse usually have participation on giveaways and airdrop for NFTs, or also the participation of mint NFTs early. And a lot of people have been making a lot of money in these participations. If you don't know where to look for giveaways and airdrops, look the video that I put here. I did a specific video on how to look platforms that will give you information about the next airdrops. So you can check there that video, and from there look for the game and metaverse projects that are near to launch, and you can participate using your social media to get airdrops and giveaways. So this is a very important way to participate that. So how to make money with NFTs? Of course, after earning the NFTs either through minting, play to earn or giveaways or farming, you need to know how to convert them from money. NFTs being blockchain based give a wider array of earning options. You can get money from your NFTs by trading them out. In the metaverse, there is a growing number of NFT marketplaces where you can sell your NFTs. So many of these are related with the game itself. Almost all the games or platforms where you can use NFTs in the play to earn have a marketplace where you can sell them. If not, you can go to OpenSea or many other platforms to sell your active NFTs. Another way to earn money with NFTs is by yield farming, what I already mentioned. You can stake your NFTs in a pool and send an opportunity to get daily rewards. So this is NFT lending. And this is similar how it works on DeFi. So yeah, the DeFi mechanism for yield farming and staking also apply for NFTs. Some platforms could provide investors with the option of lending characters to others and earning rewards. That is also true. In some games, you can lend your characters and another guy can play it inside the game, and you will get a percentage of all the incomes that person do inside the game. So that is another way to make money here. An example of metaverse platform providing the options for earning NFTs and making funds through NFTs is the Axe Metaverse. This platform empowers players' ownership by tokenizing lands, assets and characters. Axe's Metaverse provides the play-to-earn mechanism for multiple games and game modes. Additionally, Axe Metaverse offers the NFT farms and marketplace where you can sell out your NFTs. And yeah, so I would recommend you to take a look to Axis.io, which is Axis Metaverse, where you can do all the things that we mentioned in this video, from minting to yield farming and stake your NFTs and much more inside the marketplaces also. You can go to the marketplace and sell all your NFTs here. So yeah, these are the ways to make money with NFTs. So the summary: in this video I have been exploring the idea of metaverse and how to earn NFTs. The most primary strategy is by using the play to earn mechanism. You play a game and in the process they get rewards or win an NFT. You can also mint your own NFTs and sell them using the right platform. Giveaways and NFT farming are also systems gaining adoption in the crypto space. And after making NFTs, there are various ways of converting them into real money. Most metaverses provide marketplace to sell the NFTs. And Axis Metaverse is a platform where investors can earn NFTs and sell them later in the marketplace. So take a look to that also. Well guys, these are the 4 ways to make money with NFTs in the metaverse. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Remember to follow me on Twitter at CryptoSeaState, and I will see you tomorrow with a new video. Bye.